Alright guys, you guys been in the shop before, but here's a wheelbarrow. Had to buy a new wheelbarrow. And that thing helped when I did a landscape job. Man, I wish I could have got some footage, but I've been busy as heck. So, alright, the gold blades over there. Alright, and both the decks need cleaned, so we're gonna get up under here with the jungle jack, man, and clean these things out.
Start smoking.
Now, if you guys don't know what this is the jungle jack. Jacks up your mower, you get up on there, change the blades and everything. And besides the jungle jack, I also lay these down. Now it would be too safe. So you can never be too safe out here. Get up under her. See what I can scrape, guys. From up under this deck. So, which the deck is pretty clean. You can see what we got up under there, guys. So try to get up under there good, clean it good. Tomorrow or the next day, I'm gonna clean it even better. But I got some yards I gotta hit today. All right, guys. What I'm gonna do? Oh, excuse me. What I'm gonna do is spray some of this up under there too. It's got fluid film. I don't know if you can read texture deck, man. So I probably need to get the bigger can to lubricate it better, but I'm gonna go with what I got right now. Alright guys, and notice how I use both jack stands and this jack stand. So this deck looks pretty much clean. No, it doesn't. We're gonna get back there. First side the snapper. Got a mess. Gotta get this clean, guys. As you can see, that's quite a bit of junk up under there. Looks way cleaner though. So I'm gonna get back on. Spray some more fluid film up under. Alright, so guys, this was up under both the decks. So this is why you want to keep your decks clean. All this to stop you from getting clean cuts and stop you from getting those stripes you want to. It's stopping the airflow of that deck and what's spitting out of it. Alright guys, I went ahead and loaded everything up now. I'm gonna give you a video with the gold blades. I ain't gonna run them today. I want to run them when I got a big field, big yard, and one that's kind of nice and overgrown and thick. Give you guys a great video, but load it up, man, ready to get out of here. Yeah, got the decks clean. You guys clean your decks, make sure your decks are clean, man. If you ain't been watching the channel, just now watch, subscribe, hit the like, leave your comments. I'm out of here. I'll catch you in a minute.
Start smoking.